Hello guys, I hope you have a good day and you're ready to enjoy English. Let's go! Today I want to talk about slang expressions.
Wicked.
You may know the typical meaning of wicked, like злой, плохой, неприятный, противный. You could see that as a wicked command when something not related to the point is texted, or when someone decides to give you some constructive advice nobody asked for. The slang meaning is absolutely opposite, as it is absolutely positive and actually expresses good feelings mostly. In slang meaning, wicked means perfect, excellent, cool, good, great, awesome. Otherwise, it could describe how cool something is, and in this case, it is used as a synonym to really or very. Now, let's have a look how do you use that depending on the topic.
To show amazement. Чтобы показать, что вы поражены. Wow, that shirt is wicked awesome. Ух ты, эта рубашка реально классная. To express disbelief. Чтобы выразить, что чего-то не может быть. Man, this car is wicked old. Чувак, эта машина мега старая. To express aggravation. Чтобы выразить гнев или раздражение. Do you have to be that wicked asshole? Тебе обязательно вести себя как настоящий придурок? To describe something great. Чтобы описать что-то потрясающее. This photo is wicked cool. Эта фотка просто потрясающая. To make an exclamation. Чтобы выразить эмоции в восклицательной форме. Your command was wicked hot. Ну ты реально отжег в комментарии. To say something shocking. Чтобы сказать что-то шокирующее. Man, it's wicked dangerous out there. Чувак, там же реально опасно. To share your feelings about a person. Чтобы высказать ваше мнение о человеке. Don't be a wicked bitch. Не обязательно быть такой реальной. To share your feelings about the weather. Чтобы описать свое отношение к погоде. I heard it's wicked cold in Finland. Я слышала, в Финляндии очень холодно. Example of wicked in the dialogue. You won't believe it! I've managed to book the nearest flight to Paris. Ты не поверишь, мне удалось забронировать ближайший рейс до Парижа. Wicked! I'm gonna call my boss to have a day off. Круто! Я позвоню боссу, чтобы взять выходной.
Let me tell you a short, wicked story.
That smartphone is wicked awesome. And is owned by that wicked bored kid, who uses it wicked rare, when it's wicked cold out. And he wants to play the wicked dumb game, which makes me wicked jealous. 'Cause I'm wicked broke, and I got to use a wicked old phone, at the time when I need a wicked smartphone to apply a wicked cool job. Now please take your time to look at the story back again and try to translate every meaning of wicked that you have here.
Now let's play. I'm gonna give you the beginning of another story and you could use it for your practice so that you finish it and text it to me in the comment section below.
So your story should begin like this. The day is wicked awesome.